Hello there. To change the font style on iPhone 15, we need to go to the settings of your iPhone. From here, you need to go down and find this option called display and brightness. Tap here once, and from here you will see text size. Tap here, and you can change your text to a bit bigger or smaller. If you go back, you will see this option called bold text. Tap here, and this will make your text a bit bold. And if you go down, you'll find this option called display zoom. Tap here. From here you can make your entire iPhone screen look bigger, or you can set it to default. Unfortunately, there is no direct method to change the font style on your iPhone 15 or any other iOS device. So right now this feature is not available, but if in the future this feature comes up, I will make a video on that. Hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.